Hello, today we are going to talk about Lawnotelaw analysis. In this presentation, we present our usability engineering study of Lawnotelaw in an AI-powered web application for lawyers. Lawnotelaw aims to streaming legal workflows by combining intelligent document management, in-depth analysis, and collaborative tools in the one platform. So evaluate the system usability. We conducted a comprehensive human-computer integration analysis, usability inspection, and usability testing analysis. Our goal was identify strengths and usability issues, and to generate actionable recommendations for improvement from user surveys with real users. We used mixed method approach, combining expert evaluations with the user testing sessions involving practicing legal professionals. This allowed us to capture both technical insights and real-world user feedbacks. Overall, the study gave us valuable findings on how effectively the system supports legal tasks and how satisfied users are with the interface and overall experience. In the next slide, you can see the Lawnotelaw systems. Firstly, what is the Lawnotelaw system? Lawnotelaw, Lawnotelaw for lawyers or legal professionals. Lawnotelaw has two systems, file browser and file editor. In file browser, you can upload your files and see your similar files with the percentages, and you can see the laws, or you can maybe filter the other files. This filtering with using the artificial intelligence things like vector databases. In the file editor, you can share files with your company friends, or you can summarize files with AI things. You can create files with AI. You can just messaging with your company bureaus or companies or bureaus. Maybe you can edit your files, and you can just save or delete your files with our databases. Now, Batuhan will continue.
Hello, I am Batuhan. First, I will talk about our research. We did something called expert inspection. This means we asked three people who know about the computers and design, check the tool. They look how the tool works step by step, and they use the three methods: heuristic evaluation, cognitive walkthrough, and the ISO guideline checking. This the help us to find problems early. The second one is the user testing. We asked seven people who work in the law to use tool. They did tasks like uploading a file, reading the summary, and sharing the document. We asked them to talk while they worked, so we could understand what they were thinking. We also asked them to use another program like Microsoft Word, so we could compare two systems. Third, we asked the 16 people to complete a survey. This survey included the system usability skill, or SUS. It's short form to questions about how easy to use. And we also asked the open-ended question, like what was difficult. This helped us to understand their throws in more detail. After that, we did data analysis. This means we put together the result for experts and used the testing to survey, and we looked to working well, and we should improve. Next slide, please. We also made three persons or example users. Mehmet Öztürk is a 65 years old senior partner. He used technology little. He wants to find legal cases quickly, summarize contract, and work with young lawyers. Mithat Üstündağ is a 31 years old junior lawyer. He is a very good technology, and he does the legal research, write documents, and use AI tools with his work. And Nimet Akın is a 45 years old legal secretary. She's a good with computers. She helps organize documents and supports the legal team every day. These the help people who helped us understand the different needs. This is the end of my part.
My name is Kemal, and we conducted the heuristic evaluation for our application. It's the Nielsen's 10 heuristics. And when we look the table, we can see that match between the system and the real world and the recognition rather than recall, has got the 4 points from out of 4 points. But when we look the under of it, we can see that that's the errors of the or not the errors, the things that can be better, the error preventions, error recovery, and the help and documentation. This got the 2 points out of 4 points. So these three are the things that we need to get better of it. For the next slide, uh, we we did the usability inspection method. For this method, we take help of our friend from MEF University, a law student, and she works at the Turkcell right now. We made a usability inspection method on it, and for it, she was successfully completed the tasks such as creating a new document, creating a AI summarize, share them, messaging them. Um, when we give these tasks, it was good. Um, in this, but the little things was the user interface was found was learnable and efficient, uh, and it was good for her. So that's all.
Hi, I am Berke. I will talk about the usability testing results of our project. We tested two main parts of this system. The first of file editor and file browser. To measure usability, we used guidelines for that, which includes categories such as suitable for our tasks, self-descriptions, user expectations, learnability, contribuability, error tolerance, and individual task. Uh, the file editor performed well, scoring above 70% in all categories. This means it's passed usability thresholds. On the other hand, the file browser initially scored only 65%, which was below the required level. Uh, However, after we made improvements like adding better progress indicators and improving user interface, the file browser score increased to 73%, which means it's also met the usability standards. Next slide, please. We also test the system with real users, and the results were very positive. Users completed tasks 28% faster than the old system. The number of errors was reduced by 70%, 72%. The system received a system suitability scales, which is thus score of 78.7%, which is considered excellent and above the industry average. Most importantly, the test success rate was 96%, which is much higher than the target of 85%. The results shows us Lawnotelaw is an easy to use, efficient and helpful system for legal professions. Now, Jakub's turn.
Hello, my name is Jakub. After completing their task, 16% participants filled out our exit survey and almost 70% checked their top box very satisfied. That results shows two places. First of all, the AI layer, one-click summarization and similarity search replaced multi-step precedence checks and saved noticeable time with every document. Secondly, the interface felt immediately understandable. Even users who live daily in Word said they could open, compare, and annotate files within the first minute because the layout is clean and the icons are self-explanatory. Satisfaction cut across rows, lawyers, interns, and students, all in the same points. And more than half of the group said they would adopt with our program in regular work as soon as it was available. And also the survey also surfaced clear priorities for our next sprint. People want finely granted search filters, and they want the switching between the browser and the editor panes to feel instant. Those two regresses match the fraction we observed in tick alert sessions, and we will guide our immediate improvements. And in the conclusion and the future work, overall task success rises to 96%, and after sprint 1, fixes no server usability is user mean. These numbers confirm that the platform already delivers faster, more accurate, driven at the user experience that professionals trust. Our roadmap is therefore concise, make the tech filter impossible to overlook, add a clear progress overlay so long similarity searches never feel stale, and introduce keyboard shortcuts plus batch processing for power users handling large models for documents. With two refinements on the way, and the system is ready for a pilot inside partner law firms, where leave case laws will drive one last optimization cycle before the public release. That's all. Thank you for watching us.